How to return and refund an items on Shopee. Now, if you're going to be doing the whole process on your mobile device via the Shopee application, actual process are all the same. So as you can see, I'm currently logged in into my Shopee account using the web version on my laptop. All you have to do at first is go into your profile picture and go to my account. And then from here, just go to my purchase and then switch it into return refund. Now you will only be having this option if you already completed any kinds of order. And once you've completed an order, you have an option to buy again, contact seller, rate the specific product that you receive, and process a refund if necessary. You just have to make sure that you're processing an appropriate thing or a valid return. Now, once you successfully return the product, you will automatically be receive the certain amount of refund that you purchased in that item, and it will automatically be reflected into your Shopee Pay account. And that is how you return and refund an items on Shopee.